When you look around, you will see many objects and they are in a kind of spatial relation with each other. For example, your lazy cat is sleeping on the armchair which is just to the left of the fireplace. Or you realize that you forgot your keys. But where? In your car or at home? Speakers of different spoken languages use different linguistic forms to label such spatial relations. While acquiring a language such as Dutch, Turkish, or German, children usually struggle to express the spatial relations since they need to learn to map arbitrary labels in their language to the spatial relations that they see. This acquisition process may take even beyond the age of 8 or 9 years for certain spatial relations such as left and right. However, not all languages are spoken. Sign languages are natural languages and operate on visual spatial modality, unlike spoken language that use auditory vocal channels. By using their hands, body, and signing space around them, signers express spatial relations in a way that resembles to the real spatial configuration. For example, in order to explain that the pen is to the left of the paper, a signer uses both hands, one representing the pencil and the other paper, and localizes them in signing space. In this linguistic representation, she reconstructs the spatial scene as shown in the picture. To describe the same picture, a signer can also tap her left arm to express the location of the pencil with respect to the paper. Thus, the visual spatial modality of sign languages affords such iconic form-meaning mappings, which is not possible in spoken languages. Does this help signing children in learning to express spatial relations earlier than speaking children? The answer is, it depends on the type of spatial relation. In the current study, we investigate how school-age deaf children who acquire Turkish Sign Language from their deaf parents and the same age-hearing children who acquire Turkish learn to express different types of spatial relations such as in, on, under, and left-right. Here we collected descriptions of pictures that show two different objects in a certain type of spatial relation, such as a pen on a paper or an apple in a box. Picture descriptions elicited from signing and speaking children were compared to signing and speaking adults in each language. In this way, we wanted to see when children became adult-like and how frequently they used different linguistic forms available in each language. The results have revealed that while expressing in, on, under type of spatial relations, signing and speaking children were able to use different linguistic forms as frequently as adults at around 7 years of age. However, signing children were found to express left-right at a younger age when compared to speaking children. This is rather early, especially considering how children who learn spoken languages continue to show difficulty with left and right until 9 or 10 years of age. The reason for such early acquisition of these spatial relations is possibly due to the fact that signers map spatial words directly to the left and right sides of their own body. These findings suggest that even hearing children can benefit from learning a sign language, especially when it comes to learning certain spatial relations such as left-right.